Well, guys, you asked for it. I do some forging. Not going to do anything in particular. I'm just going to try and use my left hand. This is the first time I've run the forge in probably 6 months. I don't know. I have to go back and look and see what the last video was that I actually did some forging. But I got the forge just getting going there now. She's just firing up. Got to do a little coking up. I know some of you are going to notice that right there. It's not gasoline, it's used motor oil, so I know you've seen it in a few other videos, but it isn't what it looks like. So don't freak out on me. Anyway, as soon as I get this fire going, I'm gonna heat up some steel. We'll see how it goes. I can't seem to find my my coal tool for moving the coal around in the fire. I don't even know what the hell that's called. One of you know, let me know. I don't know, I just call it a coal tool. The coal shifter tool thing. It's buried under the snow here somewhere. So I did just find my shovel though. So I got that. Just got to find the other thing. Maybe that's the project. Maybe I'll just make one up. I'm gonna make a simple one. So that's what I'll do. That's my project. A little tricky. Yeah, a little bit tricky. Let's try round 2. Three, here we go. Yep. Man. Tell you what, it's like learning it all over again. You get so used to swinging a hammer a certain way and switch to your left hand. I mean, it's exactly how you would think it would go. So I'm a little better than I would have been because I spent the last 2 or 3 weeks at work using a small sledgehammer, basically just using my left hand. So I got a little bit used to swinging the big hammer, but I got no aim at all with this here. As you know, you need to be fairly accurate where you're hitting. So I'll just keep plugging away, man. Just see how it goes. It's pretty ugly though. Heat number 4. Automatically went to the wrong hand, so. stick. Well, boys, it looks like I need to work out this arm a little bit. It's a little too hard to swing that hammer because the strength just ain't there. I gotta build it up. Need a little strength in this arm. Don't use something for 45 years and all of a sudden you need it. That's why you gotta work out a little bit, you know? We'll see how it goes. It's more than a little depressing, but do what you gotta do to get through it, right? The hell. That project's to be continued. I got a little frustrated with it. I'm just not gonna deal with that right now.